Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my other videos. And if you're returning, thank you so much for the love and support. Presley Chweneyagae's on-screen family struggle to say goodbye. Not only in South Africa in mourning over the death of Presley Chweneyagae, an adored actor famed for his strong performance in Tsotsi, but his on-screen family, the actors and crew who worked closely to him, are also in a deep sorrow. Many paid tribute to Presley, but some worked with him on set say they are still trying to accept the reality of his demise.
To be or not to be, that is the question. Whether 'tis nobler in the mind to suffer the slings and arrows of outrageous fortune, or to take arms against the sea of trouble, and by opposing end them, to die, to sleep, perchance to dream. And in that sleep of death, what dreams may come. I wrote a speech. I will not be able to read it. I just want to say, my boy, you know I am that strong, but you made me weak. I just want to say, my boy, the 2 weeks we spent at home, you came to check on me. We spoke about the plans. You told me about the role that you were writing for me. I told you about a role that I have for you in a movie that we are meant to do together. I realized that those were our plans. Right now, we have to readjust, redo everything, because now we're dealing with God's plan. Ntonakazi, you made it, my boy. We made it. I will always love you.
People often say it's like a hole that cannot be filled. Presley was more than a co-worker to them. He was a brother and a guide, a source of inspiration who could dispel any gloom. One of his co-stars said, Presley remained real once the camera stopped filming. He embodied his parts, not only played them. He was an inspiration to younger actors since he gave his time to mentor them and lift them up to the business. The memory of Presley Chweneyagae will endure both in the hearts of people who were fortunate enough to call him family and in the scenes that won awards. Thank you very much for watching. That was all for now. Until we meet in my next video.